Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Luna video update. And right now you might see Luna making a little bit of a movement to the upside, and there's one thing that I want to talk about. Previously I did actually point out that when you lose the 0.618 you might be looking to go down to the 1.618, right? But there's one more thing that I actually noticed, because by the end of the day you are still not guaranteed to do anything, but technically speaking you should be coming down here in the future. So there could be a little bit of a pull to the upside, to the 786 right over here. But before we get too much bearish and all that kind of stuff, I do want to say one thing though. There's one clue that we have on the chart that this might be a bottom, and you're looking for this price level, which is going to be the 4.8, and that's really a very important price level, because you might be putting in first bottom and you might be putting another bottom right over here. So this would be a double bottom, and you might be looking for Luna to actually go to the upside once again. I do think that there's a technical target here that was supposed to be met. This target really isn't met, but you're looking for Luna to basically in the future maybe come to 3.8, and I'm going to tell you why. Because when you're coming down you made a continuation pattern, so you went down like this and you made a potential bearish rectangle right over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you about the bearish rectangle. So here we are, bearish rectangle pattern, and from here guys you can see that when the prices are moving like to the downside over here, and then they start to move sideways and then they break to the downside, you're looking for them to push even way more down from where they came from the upside. Okay, so what that means is that basically the price went to the downside, it made a sideways movement, that's the bearish rectangle, and you're looking to down from where you came from. So technically on a very technical level, I still expect this one to come down unless you don't really break the flag itself. And the only way to actually eliminate the downtrend, cancel the downtrend, is to actually break this level, which is going to be $7.1. So you desperately need to come back up and break the flag itself, and then that actually eliminates everything. This gets abandoned, and this play to the downside to the 3.8 actually gets cancelled completely. And that's it for today's update. I hope you enjoyed this one. Join our Discord, and yesterday I did even made a post that I'm expecting Bitcoin to be green next week. And watch the Bitcoin update today. It's going to serve as to why this one might make a little bit of push to the upside because of Bitcoin basically. So you might look I do expect a little bit of a green candle potentially, and then continue with the downtrend as well. But anyway, as long as you're holding support, you support the coin, you're still not losing support. So that's actually something positive at this point of time at least. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.